Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tony Holowitz, and I want to talk to you about accessing your Act Marketing Automation account once it's been set up. And I'm making the assumption here you've already set it up. So, if you have Act Desktop installed and you want to access your marketing automation account, you'll notice over here on the navigation bar, if you go down towards the bottom, it says Marketing Automation, and I'm going to click on that. While that's coming up, I'm going to navigate down to the web version of ACT. This is my web version of ACT. And you'll notice over here on the navigation bar, there's something here called Marketing Automation. So I'm going to click on that. So I'm sort of getting to it in two different ways. This is what it looks like right now in Marketing Automation. If I go down to Act Clever, it looks exactly the same, but I got here through the desktop version of ACT. Now, the reason I'm pointing this out is this. My experience has been sometimes trying to access this through the desktop version, it can have some issues. If you have those issues, recognize that this is a tool that is web-based. So the reality is, even though we're looking at marketing automation right now through the desktop, we're really sort of looking at a web page. So, on that note, what I suggest is cut to the chase and just get right to the web to work on it. And personally, that's what I do. If you have ACT in the cloud, you can just go to your web version of ACT and get right in. If you have ACT on the desktop, you can still get in a roundabout way, which I'll share more information on that in another tutorial. But me personally, I get right into the web version to start working. Just a couple tips, quick insight. Thank you very much. Have a great day.